First
of all, you know the problem in this world, in this country, when you see people who are better than you, instead of you to say, look, how will I be that way so I can grow? You begin to be jealous, envious of such persons. I challenge any state in this country today, if you don't have the capacity, put the two parties together and see what it takes.
A biggie man, 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 a biggie man. You know the for size, so a biggie man, 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 a biggie man. You know the for size, so a biggie man, 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 a biggie man. You know the for size, so a biggie man, a biggie man, a biggie man.
This is the only state you can see the main two political parties working together. We did it in 2023. We said, President, you will take this one. The other party, take this one. That is what happened. Where's that on Chukwemega? Where's the Tono Kocha? This is the chairman of APC. This is the chairman of PDP. Any state that can do it, tell them to come out. Not be to talk cha.
No be whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes, so we can our leader. Oh. No be cha. Oh. No be we can our leader. No be whoa, whoa, whoa. No be whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes, so we can our leader. No be cha. Oh. Yes, so we can our leader.
If I don't say this, let me warn those who come to River State because you have heard about 600 billion. You come here, you collect, and you open your mouth, you talk anyhow. I want to say it. You know, when you are doing something for the interest of everybody, some people will come out to make sure those things don't work. I say it here, Victor, I want to say it here. Take this message. Tell your national secretary, leave River State alone. Leave River State alone. Go and ask those who have tried it before. Go and ask those who have tried it before.
Kapinta, Bidikila, Owa Pondole Dole, Kamanga, Wokandole, Owa Pondole Dole, Kapinta, Bidikila, Owa Pondole Dole, Kamanga, Wokandole, Owa Pondole Dole, Kapinta, Bidikila, Owa Pondole Dole, Kamanga, Wokandole, Owa Pondole Dole.
Don't take our support from Mr. President for granted. You have to be careful the statement you make. You have to be careful. Today, you are enjoying in Osun. You don't know those who did the work. You are opening your mouth to talk about River State. Anything you see, take it. Anything you see, what? Take it.
Agreement is agreement, yo. Agreement is agreement, yo. We don't reach it for settlement. You can't tell me nonsense. Agreement is agreement, yo.
When Mr. President comes back, when I see the Minister of Blue Economy, I will tell them to tell him Go and ask other people what has happened to them before. Putting River State, carry your hand to come to River State. If your hand burns, don't say the people no more. I can challenge anybody. This state is a no-go area. This state is a no-go area. Whether you like it or you don't like it or there. So, take the one you have taken. Stop making unnecessary comments. Take the one you have taken. Stop making unnecessary comments. If not, when I come out. So, I'm not here and I want to tell anybody, I'm not begging. All we are here, we have taken a decision to support Ajibọla Ahmed.
Then they fear you, oh, then they fear you, oh, then they fear you, oh, and you're so wicked that they fear you, oh, come on, body, oh, then they fear you, oh, then they fear you, oh, then they fear you, oh, and you're so wicked that they fear you, oh, come on, body, oh.
We agreed to support Ahmed Bola Tinubu in 2023. Nobody forced us. We are the first state that did it.